We're going to be talking about how to attend more events in 2026, especially if you are looking to getting more jobs, getting gigs, landing clients, and meeting your prospective partners. If you're new on this channel, hi, my name is Moyo. I am in Oko, Texas. I work as a social media manager, content creator, and a virtual assistant. Now, without wasting much time, let's get into today's video. For a lot of creators, especially if you're working in a no-code tech industry, right? You are a UGC creator, you are a social media manager, you are a content creator, project manager, you work in a no-code tech industry, basically. How do you get more jobs? How do you land clients? How do you get jobs in 2026? It is by attending events, right? Attending events. So if you want to get invited to events, you want to meet people in events. As a matter of fact, you want events to open opportunities, door of opportunities for you. This video is for you. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and most importantly, drop a comment and let me know where you're watching this video from. So why do you need to attend more events in 2026, especially if you're a creator? Events are one way that you get to network with people. If you attend events, you have the opportunity to learn, especially if you're pivoting from one industry into no code tech. And if you attend events, you have the opportunity, to leverage, because you get to network with different people, you get to learn. Most importantly, you get to document, right? You get to document that journey. So that journey that you're documenting, of course, has its own purpose, which I'm going to let you know in this video. So why should you attend events? Like I mentioned, event is the best way for you to meet more people in your current industry and in that other industry that you're trying to pivot into. That's one way. You get to network with people in various industries. Now, attending event also means that you know how community works, because any industry that you're going to work in, you need to understand the essence of building a community, the essence of belonging into a community. So attending event is a way of belonging to a community. Meeting people is an opportunity to either follow each other on socials and collaborate for future proposal and future partnerships. Attending events gets you into that right space where you get to meet more people. So now let me tell you how you can leverage on the kind of events that you attend. But before we go into that, let me tell you where you can get information on the kind of events that will help you in this year 2026. I'm going to mention just one platform that you can get recurring events and events that happen annually, or the ones that happen monthly, and every other event. So to get access to events that are happening around your area, all you need to do is to go to www.eventbrite.com. Now, when you go to Eventbrite, regardless of any industry or any country that you're currently in, on Eventbrite, you see list of events that are happening in the next month, in the next week. You have upcoming events that you can attend. So these events are not only for tech enthusiasts alone, whether you work in tech, whether you work in local tech, or whether you work in the food business, you work in hospitality, you work in healthcare, any kind of industry that you work in. When you go to Eventbrite, you get access to different events that are coming up that you can attend. You see paid ones, you see free ones, and you see virtual or physical events. They are all there. If you want to attend more events, go to Eventbrite and check upcoming events and the one that pertain to the industry that you're currently in, or the industry that you are pivoting into, right? That is the first stage. Now, once you go to Eventbrite and you see the numbers of events that are currently available, and you selected the few ones that you want to attend and you've registered for them. Now, before you register and attend this event, these are the things that you need to put into place, right? Because everything that you're doing is for you to get partnership, is for you to get jobs. That is why you are attending the event. It's for you to network and meet prospective clients, right? So this is what you're going to do if you're attending your next event. The first thing that you need to do is map out the content that you're going to create around that event, right? If you create content around the event, number one, you are putting yourself out for people to know the kind of industry that you currently work in or you want to work in. Let's say, for example, you are a UGC creator and you are attending events. The kind of content that you are going to create is prep, how you are going to prep ahead for the event that you're currently attending. And while you're creating that content, you need to let people know that this is what you do. So, what you do should be in between the content and what you're looking forward to at the event that you're going to. So, now once you start creating content around the event that you're going to and the event is upcoming, you have the opportunity to pitch yourself for future events. Now, when that particular brand or organization is hosting that event, the next one they are going to host, because you've already created content around the first one, you've created buzz around it. The next thing that you are going to do is you can use that video to pitch yourself for the upcoming one, because of course you've created content around it. So it means that you know how to let people know about them, you know how to market them, because what you are doing with your content is that you are marketing for them through your content. You've not only attended events, you also now have something that you can use to pitch yourself for the coming one. Now, that content that you're going to create to pitch yourself for the coming one, that same content that you've created can also serve as a portfolio, right? For every other brand that you're pitching to. You can use the same content that you've created as a buzz for the event that you want to attend. You can use that same video as a portfolio when an organization is asking you that, oh, what kind of content have you created before? One video can actually help you pitch to client, can serve as your portfolio, and that same content can also be used to pitch for upcoming events. So now, if you're doing all of this for the event that you are attending next, that you've registered for on Eventbrite, these are certain things that you need to put in place so that you can get invited to more events. Log your way to the event. For the event, your preparation process, when you are attending the event, and then also talking about your highlight from this event, what you've learned from the event, sharing your notes either as a carousel post or as a video post, or even by sharing like a written post on LinkedIn. That way, you've talked about that event on multiple platforms. You've told people what they can look out for, and you see that a lot of people now start asking you, oh, please, I'd like to attend more events. How do you do it? Where can I get access to some of these events that you attend? If you create content around events that you go to like this, you have the opportunity to pitch yourself to brands that are hosting events. You can start gathering people to talk about events that are upcoming and actually getting paid for it, right? So I've talked about vlogging your way to the event, talking about the highlights from the event, the speaker's notes, and notes that you've already taken from the event. You can share them as carousel. Then your overall experience at that event needs to also be shared. Once you do that, all of this content that you've created can serve as your portfolio, they can serve as a pitch. All of these events can also give you partnership opportunities. So if you want to attend more events in 2026, number one, you need to go to www.eventbrite.com to check out upcoming events around your area, around your state or your country, and the kind of event that fit into the current industry that you're in or the next industry that you want to work in. The second thing is to create buzz around the events that you want to attend. Create content around it, vlog your way to the event, and talk about the highlights of what you've learned, your speaker's notes, and everything that you've learned from this event. Then thirdly, this content should be your portfolio. They can be your partnership pitch to clients, and they can also create job opportunities for you. Talk about every of the event that you've attended on all your social media platforms, either on LinkedIn, either on Facebook, on Twitter, or on Instagram. These will open doors of opportunities for you, especially as a creator and as somebody who works in local tech industry. if you're going to attend more events in this 2026, don't forget to follow all these tips, right? If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share with someone who wants to attend more events and get partnership, get collaboration, and get paid gigs in 2026. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.